Hey YouTube, Coach Lou 10 here. I'm trying to get my last few Gridiron gear sets from 2008 posted. I believe I have 4 sets to post. I don't know if I'll get them all done today, at least loaded today, but anyway, I have the rookie patch set, Lima Swede. A lot of these are numbered. Most all of these are numbered to 50. Lima Swede autograph. Harry Douglas, real nice patch on that one. Eddie Royal, Dustin Keller, Earl Bennett, barely a 3-color, Matt Forte, Devin Thomas, Chris Johnson, Early Doucette, Jerome Simpson, Kevin O'Connell, Ray Rice, Kevin Smith, Jonathan Stewart, Brian Brom, Felix Jones. It's a sick Dexter Jackson, part of the Bucks logo. Jamal Charles, 3-color. Steve Slayton, Richard Mendenhall. Kind of wish it was a little bit lower, but it might just be part of the top of the 3. Mario Manningham, Jake Long, 4 colors. James Hardy, my 4-color Deshaun Jackson. Andre Caldwell, Donnie Avery, Jordy Nelson, Chad Henne, Malcolm Kelly. All those are numbered to 50. John David Booty. He's numbered to 10. Not exactly sure why they switched up some of the numbers on some of these guys, but they did. There's my Matt Ryan, 3 colors, real sweet. Joe Flacco, Darren McFadden, and the infamous Glenn Dorsey, no autograph. Alrighty YouTube, that's it for the 08 Gridiron Gear rookie patch set. Thanks, we'll see you.